Welcome back to Live Now from Fox. I'm Shauna Kalafi. A live look at the White House this Christmas evening. We are following breaking news from D.C. President Trump announcing that the U.S. has launched airstrikes in Nigeria. This is the post from President Trump on Truth Social just a few minutes ago. He said, "Tonight, at my direction as Commander-in-Chief, the United States launched a powerful and deadly strike against ISIS terrorist scum in northwest Nigeria who have been targeting and viciously killing primarily innocent Christians at levels not seen for many years and even centuries. I have previously warned these terrorists that if they did not stop the slaughtering of Christians, there would be hell to pay. And tonight, there was. The Department of War executed numerous perfect strikes as only the United States is capable of doing. Under my leadership, our country will not allow radical Islamic terrorism to prosper. May God bless our military and Merry Christmas to all, including the dead terrorists, of which there will be many more if their slaughter of Christians continues." That was from President Trump. And we also have a reaction to that from Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth. He said the president was clear last month the killing of innocent Christians in Nigeria and elsewhere must end. The Department of War is always ready, so ISIS found out tonight on Christmas. More to come. Grateful for Nigerian government support and cooperation. Merry Christmas. Again, that was...
You can call Trump a promise keeper when he promised that he was going to come after this terrorist in Nigeria. A lot of people started interpreting, analyzing, and reanalyzing that Trump was trying to invade Nigeria. No, Trump was not trying to invade Nigeria. What Trump said was clear, that if the attack on Christians in Nigeria do not stop, that he was going to come after the terrorists. The same people spreading false narratives that there was no genocide in Nigeria, the same people who probably, quote unquote, have been silent while these funny slaughters have been going on in Nigeria, started spreading false narrative. That's a disgrace. Donald Trump tonight, Christmas Day, kept his promise, bombing these terrorists. More will come. How did Nigeria get this far? If you watch the video after Donald Trump's announcement of his strike in Nigeria, you will see terrorists sharing money from the bank. Who is giving them this money? Who is sponsoring them? When in Nigeria, as a citizen, you cannot even get more than 20,000 from the bank. You can't even get more than 20,000 from the ATM. Life is becoming increasingly difficult for ordinary Joe in Nigeria, and our leaders are living in splendor. Who says Nigeria is not a disgrace? Nigerian leaders have disgraced Nigerians. Nigerians have been made subject of mockery in their own country. This is why another country is coming to help Nigeria to fight terrorists, and the simple message is because Nigerian government is complacent. They know what is going on. They don't have the political way to go after these people. Who is in charge of the Nigerian government? And who is keeping quiet while Nigerian lives don't matter anymore? Remember, the late Sani Abacha said that when insecurity lasts for more than 24 hours, that the hand of the government must be in it. What is going on with Bola Ahmed Tinubu government? Why are they keeping quiet? Who are those that are sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria? Get into the comment section and let me know what you think. Do you think the strike against these terrorists was the right thing for Donald Trump to do? Do you think Nigerian government is complacent in fighting terrorism? Are they serious, or are they just being politically correct? My name is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. See something, say something, and please do something. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. Thank you.
Joe, we are following breaking news into our newsroom out of Nigeria. What can you tell us about that?
Yeah, just happening now, just at the top of the hour, President Trump announcing that there has been a Christmas Day strike, an American strike in Nigeria, targeting ISIS elements there. We didn't get too many details other than this is in the northwestern part of Nigeria, according to President Trump. We're basically going off of his Truth Social post, which he just put out. But he announced that he's doing this as a result of Christians in Nigeria being targeted by ISIS elements. Now, we know